Hello, dear students. In previous lecture, we see the extraction method of metal, how it can be extracted from various process: concentration process, gravity separation process, calcination, roasting, refining, reduction, melting, and occurrence and nature of metal. Now, in this lecture, we see the properties of metal, how the properties can be specified, the specific metals. एखाद्या मेटलला एखाद्या विशिष्ट प्रकारची प्रॉपर्टी असते आणि ती त्याचं वैशिष्ट्य असते. मग ते तशा प्रकारच्या प्रॉपर्टीज, कोणत्या कोणत्या प्रकारच्या प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत मेटलला, ते आपण आज पाहणार आहोत. फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ मेटल. नाउ व्हेरियस मेटल्स ऑब्झर्वड इन various metals are observed in our surrounding. For example, some I have to show you: lead, tin, copper, platinum, gold, nickel. In diagram you see the various metals: nickel, gold, platinum, copper, lead and tin. Now we see the properties of these metals. Physical properties of metals. First property is lustrous. What is the meaning of lustrous? Lustrous is nothing but the shiny material. You see, gold is shining, coin, the silver coin is continuously moving, and which is having lustrous, which is having shiny. The metal who's having shine, such material is called as lustrous metals. Such shining is having copper, gold, silver, iron. Such metals is having specific shine, which shows their specific properties. That's why we call as a lustrous metal. Now next, ductility. In ductility you see the one GIF I have been uploaded. There is a formation of wire from a metal, and there are various types of such type of wires have been produced from the metal, and that property is called as ductility property. Ductility property means the metal which is having property to drawn into wires. अशी प्रॉपर्टी की ज्याच्यापासून आपण वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे वायर्स तयार करू शकतो. वायर्स तयार करू शकतो म्हणजे गोल्डपासून आपण चेन बनवतो, छोटे छोटे थिन वायर बनवतो. दॅट्स वाय गोल्ड इज ए डक्टाईल मटेरियल. कॉपर, तांब्याची तार, सिल्वर, iron, etc. All these metals are ductile in nature, which can be drawn into wire. Next, conductor of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity, you see the two images. One shows heat and another image shows electricity. The material which conduct the electricity or the material which pass the electricity through them, such material is called as heat and electrical conductor, means good conductor. You see, steel, copper conducts electricity, but wood, glass doesn't conduct the electricity. The GIF image you see carefully. All these properties have been shown in GIF image. That's why we say metals are good conductors of heat and electricity, that it allows heat and electricity to pass through it. Example: gold, copper, silver, iron, etc. Sonorous material. Sonorous material means what? Metals are sonorous. It means when an object hit it on it, there should be one sound. Make a sound when hit with an object. For example, bells, strings of guitars. We know if we hit the bell, they gives a sound. Guitar, if we strings have been cried, that guitar gives one sound. That is called as sonorous property. Hardness and softness. Metals are hard, tough and also soft. Generally metals are hard in nature. For example, iron, gold, copper, all these are having hardness. You see the fine ceramics, stainless steels, all these examples with GIF image. You see the diamond is a hard material which is not easily brittle, which is not easily mold into any shape. Next property, malleability. Malleability is what? Any type of material which can be cast into any shape. विच कॅन बी कास्ट इंटू एनी शेप. कोणत्याही प्रकारच्या शेपमध्ये आपल्याला त्याला कन्व्हर्ट करता येतं. अशा प्रकारच्या मटेरियलच्या प्रॉपर्टीला आपण मॅलेबिलिटी म्हणतो. यू सी द GIF इमेज. वन हँड हॅज बेंड डाऊन द metal and it can be converted into various shapes. That's why we say such type of metals are called as malleable, which can be give into in any shape. That's why we say metals are malleable, which can be beaten into thin sheet with hammers. Example, iron, copper, gold, aluminum. Melting and boiling point. Metals have generally high melting point and boiling point. For example, iron, copper, gold, aluminum. In metallurgy chapter we see iron is melt around 1350 degree centigrade. 1300 ते 1400 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेडला आयर्न हा मेल्ट होतो आणि त्याचा बॉइलिंग पॉईंट सुद्धा अराउंड 950 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड आहे. दॅट्स वाय वी से द मेटल्स आर हॅव्हिंग हायर मेल्टिंग पॉईंट अँड बॉइलिंग पॉईंट. ऑल these properties we have been studying in this lecture. Now in next lecture we see alloy, cement. Then in next lecture our first chapter will be completed. Thank you.